Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be making a tracker for this water bottle. We're going to be using the colorful pearl adhesive vinyl from Teckwrap. I'm going to be using one of these colors, not the three of them, but not sure which one right now. So we're going to need a few items for this project. You're going to need your water bottle. You're going to need some rubbing alcohol to clean your bottle from any oils from your fingers or any debris or any dust. And of course you're going to need your weeding tools and a transfer tape. I'm going to be using the yellow grid transfer tape because these are glitter vinyls. This is the design that I want to be using on my bottle. However, I want to also put some sort of decorations around it. Now, I've designed this one in Adobe Illustrator. There are similar ones here in Design Space, but let's go ahead and look for some type of wrap for the bottle. Now, to get to these, you need to click on project type, and I clicked on 15 ounces regular ceramic mug designs. So I'm just going to search here and see if I like anything. I have spotted a roses design earlier. Just let me scroll. Yes, this one. So I think I'm going to use this design. So let's just click on it and add to canvas. Now, the nice thing about Design Space is that once you choose your design, it will show you designs that are similar. Okay, so let's just click on add to canvas and click on view. All right, so let me just, before we do anything, always set a template for the item that you're using. If it's a t-shirt, if it's a coaster, if it's a bottle. So the circumference of my bottle is around 24 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a square, I'm going to hit unlock, and I'm going to put 24 where the width is. Okay, let me just turn this into white. Send it to the back. Okay, so let me just center these. Now the height for it is 13.5. That's not the exact height of my bottle, but that's the area that I want to keep the design in. So let me see how I can lay down this design. Okay. You'll understand what I'm doing just in a bit. So basically what I want to do is I'm going to make a space over here so that my tracker will show here in the middle, and then the bottle has this design around it. Okay, let me just put this a little bit down, grab another box, unlock it. I'm going to place it in the middle. Let me center this. So click on align and center. And now I'm going to click on slice. Okay, now we're going to delete this, and delete this. Now we are left with this design. And that's how I want it to look like. Okay, now we can get rid of the box at the back. Okay, now I'm going to attach everything and we are going to click on make it. Let's not forget to save our design. And the vinyl we're using is glitter, so I'm just going to use the default glitter vinyl. So I'm just going to click on that and I will keep the pressure as default. Let's cut our vinyl. I'm going to need around 14 or 15 centimeters for this design, so I'm going to put this the 15 centimeter mark. And as always, don't forget to check your cut before you unload your mat. I'm going to weed this on the mat because, as you saw the design, it's a bit complicated and intricate. So I'm going to be weeding it on the mat so that it does not curl up on me and it's easier this way. Once we finished weeding our design, now let's just give our bottle a little bit of a wipe just to remove any dust. Okay, and let us place our transfer tape. Let me just put this aside. Okay, now reveal just a little bit of it. And then just line it up. With your design, and now grab onto this part over here and lay it down. Okay, give it a scrape. Turn it around, do the same. And peel back. And do it slowly so you don't lose any tiny bits. Now slowly apply the design. So bend your design this way and make sure everything is centered and apply the center part first. And then slowly lay it down. Let me just make sure it's okay. Now all right, scrape, scrape, scrape. Make sure everything is adhered properly. And then peel back. And slowly peel back, because the surface area of your design, if it's a line design like this one, so just pull back easy so it does not lift off. So just go around and press any lifted areas. This area of the bottle here is a bit matte, that's why it was lifting. So just give it a press everywhere. Okay, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to put a paper inside so that you can see the design clearly. Okay, so here is the final design. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next one.